Sangeeta Reddy, I want to ask you. The government is telling us that, there isn't enough vaccine production even globally. Now, the question many people today are asking is that most governments have gone and booked their quantities way back. At that time, I don't know, whatever we were discussing within the country, forget the politics. The fact is that we knew what our population is. We knew what our vulnerable population is. We know what our working force population is. Have we delayed getting vaccinations from abroad? Have we missed the bus? Is there some way that we can still get it? Pfizer wants an indemnity bond, which should be waived off. The government not in a mood to do that. Do we have time? Do we have really time to go through this entire procedure, or have we already delayed it just far too much? I think you're on. You've pressed a mute button, so you'll have to unmute yourself, Sangeeta Reddy.
Yeah. Hi, Navika. Thank you for having this very important discussion.
Hi.
I think the data has clearly showed us that vaccination is the single most important armamentarium for us to fight COVID, and therefore we must find ways to get our people vaccinated. Now, clearly, we need, a significant number of doses, whether it's the 61 million doses for those above 45, we need 1.2 billion doses actually for those from the 18 to 44 category. So this is an imminent requirement. And this is not going to come from one source, because this combination, these numbers are significant. So a combination of ramping up India's capability and production, enabling, whether it's with advances, the ability for our pharmaceutical industry to buy raw material to ramp up, helping everyone who has a license. There are potentially 5 manufacturers who have been licensed with Sputnik. How do we bring them to top capacity? Then also get the international procurement, like you rightly said, we have to give the indemnity and bring in Pfizer as soon as possible. We appreciate the fact that the Pfizer vaccine has a certain temperature requirement, but those can be met in 10, 15 large cities. So put those where we can handle the temperature, send the Covaxin and Covishield into rural India. We need an integrated, concerted, combined effort. This is not the time for us to, say, let private do this and public. We need to do it together. So your first question, which was a fantastic question, which is, should there be a central procurement? So I think there definitely needs to be a global central procurement, including the enablement of the Act, the indemnity, and then an effective distribution across the states, both public and private. So that is point number one. The second very important one is to ramp up India production. And the health ministry recently came out with, I think it was day before yesterday, where they gave an estimate of the production capacity from August to December, which was adding up to 2 billion doses. Now, I think pursuing a plan like that is exactly what we need, but practically ensuring that it reaches the ground. And our current per day vaccination rate has to go up to 5 crores a day. That should be our collective target.